diretso.
Chicken McDo. Welcome to vlog 110. So welcome to a day in the life of 24th birthday. So yeah, happy birthday to me, Casper. Your favorite, your favorite.
Happy birthday, Dayo. In 3, 2, 1, let's go.
Okay na. Na-work na yung ano, ma. Na-try ko na yung ilaw. Yung yung light, okay na rin. Tapos, itong ano, nag-vlog ako eh. Hi.
Hi.
And yung ilaw tito, okay na. Na-try ko.
Ang dami mong nagawa ah. Nagawa mo na rin?
Oo.
Kanina pa kayo dyan? Kanina pa kayo?
Oo. Sige, bye. Mga billboard doon. Okay na yan. Okay. Delaying tayo.
Tawayo ko din yung tito.
Happy birthday. Okay.
Kiss. Kiss, kiss.
As always.
Ganito lang kalabo. Yun, kalabo ka na. Ano to? Sharing to. Parang solo lang eh.
Okay na.
Sharing. Kung paano po gamitin yung software machine and then na pwede upong ano lang. Palitan natin kasi ito yung pinakawisan. Ha? Boiled egg. Yun lang pagkain. Ano yun? Tubig na dyan na. Baka asin.
When you hate these things. What? Okay, let's try this strawberry and what is it again? And basil. Strawberry and basil. First take. Mm. Smoothies lang siya, hindi frap. Umuulan. So I need to hurry. Strawberry and basil. Hmm. Like, literally, I don't know. Okay naman din. Gusto ko lang kasi yung strawberry. Eh, walang frap pa. So, yun. Papabili ako ng smoothies. Okay naman din yung lasa.
Eh, gusto mo na nga umuwi eh. Ano ba?
So, hey, I'm back to enjoy this lighting new set. Real light is back, and my lamp is back. And I finally have a new light here above on my monitor, so it might be cool. So, it's easy to write that here already. So, it might be nice. And also, it might be cool to have a main key light see on my face. But of course, I'm still using my ring light too. So, might be cool to light up my wall here. It might be nice. So, anyways, I'll see you tomorrow because I'm going back there. So, anyways, yeah.
Meron nga pala akong papadala sa'yo. Meron nga pala akong papadala sa'yo. Hindi ko tuloy na ipadala. Nagmamadali tayo.
Ano?
Yung para kay nanay.
Ha?
Stockings. Basta huwag na dyan si Naomi.
Wala pa.
Oh, wala pa. Sige.
Aga
Wala
pa.
lang. Oo. Sige na, bye-bye.
Sige. So yesterday is Monday was Wilson's birthday from New Eid, a Filipino band which they are in Korean, and actually I'm related happy birthday, and today is May 28th is also a Twice band, and it's Diane's birthday today. So, anyways, I'm just going to mention it to my blog, just a little small people bird month. Today's I missed to, today in May. So, yeah. And also, happy birthday, Shane, our old dog Shih Tzu pet. It's because of it's Tita K's dog. So it's might be nice to saying that Shane's birthday is on May 30 and we miss him already. So I miss him, of course. So yeah. Terrifying love is driving me up insane. Have to get this. Oh, Magnolia, she can move oceans and rivers with ease. Oh, Magnolia. Pagdinig ng Senado ang amaning pambantarlak Mayor Arn Alice Go para So it's 8 p.m. and I'm going to sleep here. Just one day for now. Without my sister. So annoying. And I cannot sleep. Like, it's so funny. Anyways, what? Huh? Just sharing. It's just funny. Literally, I forgot the mouse pad. If I'm moving it, really, it's not working. The mouse is not moving, man. The hell? It's not. It's not actually moving. I feel bad. Savage.
Thank you,
Thank
ma'am.
you.
Ano na ba?
Mom yarn. Savage. after I came home, I get my kazo just to get out and just pee and poop. And after that, my sister just later, but I did fold, and then my sis came, and then we eat. And after that, I fold the clothes, so many. And after that, I was kind of watching YouTube, but then I forgot to do this water. So yeah, and it's 9 p.m. So pretty good. So yeah, happy productive, savage. I'm quite telling you this week my day in my life of a 24th birthday, and it's weird Sunday because each year I'm a different look hairstyle, and right now it's because my long hair is back, and I want to say something that what's on my head right now, and I want to share this to you for sure that I'm a different person. I want to be a different person, and I want to be a different filmmaker, and in high school I want to be a part of those LGBTQ filmmakers. And I told you, I guess, that I'm gay. But I'm a very different person, and so imagine that's my hairstyle long time ago. So I cannot believe myself that seems like I don't want to be a man hairstyle again. If I get shorter, and again, I feel like so cringe again, and that's why somehow I want to be a different, and I want to decide get a long hair again. So yeah. So I remember on my 21 birthday, that was a time I was long hair that year, 2021, and that was different, and I feel that was me fully. And all my classes way back on college, they see me a lot as a long hair person, and I want to present myself after college. When I'm going to work, I want to see myself a different person, a long hair, a feminine for sure. And that's why all my surrounding in the world, that they are sort of calling mama, and which is funny. And my mom is quite weird to say, what? And then my cousin Ate Kim just explained everything to my mama, because my body and my style was, it seems like to be a girl, I guess, like that. It's so funny. So anyways, I'm just saying about this because it's a day of my 24th birthday, and I want you to know to respect my thoughts and who I am to be right now, and I'm passionately to be like this again. So for after all these years, I want to be different because I've also a 30 stories, and I don't want to told I don't want to share with that, of course. So anyways, I'm gay, I'm different. This is my day in a life of 24th birthday. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this. So this is a gay vlog, I guess, a little bit Rainbow Sunday. Yeah, it's just my wish. I wish I had rainbow cake for sure, and it's very different. And yeah.
Cortez, GUNF, Batang Sasamin ng Sporting Week Award. Daniel Elisa Kate B, Batang Nakalin ng Tiny Tiny Award. Magbanwa Angela S. Perez Risha Joviel B. Regalados Garden.
Hey, so I just ate ampalaya and I just bought Subway. I was thought I was gonna eat it at lunch, but later, merienda. You know, and I'm going to watch this. May regular check-up. Hoy, kay magpa-check up ka na. Hi, morning. It's 9 a.m., which is kind of crazy. I just got woke up by 8. So, anyways, it's May 31 and it's Friday, the end of the month, and which is kind of crazy. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this Yusuku's vlog. My day in a life of 24th birthday, and can believe that the Jewel's graduation of kindergarten, and we just kind very cute at this moment. I finally have the video from Hitake, and thank you. I appreciate that you make a landscape video. So he forgot to make a video on Joel's birthday, a landscape video. So yeah, sucks. So anyways, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Click the notification bell for more Yusuke's vlog here on the Bisamo Channel Entertainment. And I'll see you on another next episode of Yusuke's vlog.